Hello, it's me, Mr. Eaton, your favorite English teacher of honors. Got a couple of things I want to go over because they were things that we went over last week. Number one is your thesis. Let's go over the three big things that you need for your thesis statement. Number one, you need to have a subject. Wow, that should already be taken care of. Number two, you need to have an argument. You need to have your claim. You need to have, well, a reason for your paper. And then number three, you need to have your so what. Why should I care? Why should we as a society care about your paper? Remember, there are also three different ways that you can create your thesis statement. You can use themes, which is probably going to be the easiest, potentially. You can use literary criticisms. That could work as well. And then your last one that you can use is looking at it through the lens of culture in like modern history. Why is this book still around? Why should we care about it? Etc., etc. Each one, you just have to choose one. That's it. Also, a couple of things on the proposal. Remember, you need to have your thesis statement completed on that thing. You need to tell me what your paper is going to be about. And the third thing is that you need to make sure you have your sources that you are going to use in your paper. Get that out of the way now. If you do, this paper will be so much easier. Trust me. Other than that, just a preview for this week. Try to get through chapter 4 this week in night. That will make it a lot easier if you just get all 4 chapters out of the way, so you can just focus on reading and annotating your book that you chose for the 6 to 10 page paper. And lastly, start thinking about your thesis statement, because when we have conferences starting Monday of next week, because we'll have the conference sheet on Friday, I want a thesis statement. I want something, so I know that you're actually thinking about your paper. So I will check your annotations. You'll tell me what you're thinking for the thesis statement, so you can also work in your proposal, because you'll be working on that starting next week. Because guess what? Those are due February 3rd, and that is not that far away. Is there anything else I need to discuss? Your bi-weekly essays. I think I had the most great stakes so far. I think I've had 9, which is great. That's a great number. That's 30 perfects. No, it's not. That's like 10 that have perfect. Duh. There's quite a few of you, however, that there's a huge discrepancy. And that, to me, goes all the way back to making sure that you are not using summary. That if whatever you're setting up, you need to have a majority of it be analysis. Get this down now so it's so much easier later. A lot of you are doing a great job of making sure that you're staying in third person. Good. Keep that up. But now you need analysis. Keep analysis. Less on the summary. I don't need a lot of summary. I've read a majority of these books. Other than that, I'm just gonna have a fun, easy week. Group discussion. That'll be fun. Yeah, so cool. We're going to talk about didacticism. That's going to be fun. You know, the moral compass, me looking at books as only a way through morality. It's only a morale thing. We'll look at how grief is used eventually in this book, and also Part-Time Indian. I think that's it. Is that really it? Is this a really short week or something? I think it is. Oh yeah, we're going to look up some sources. You'll have some time to do that in class. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm going to start working on a catchphrase. So, here's my first attempt. Yeah, so be your best. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell icon to get notified from all my videos. This video has been sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends.